Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw TRX from Exmo to Uphold in 2025. If you're holding TRX on Exmo and want to move it to Uphold for better security or trading options, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Exmo and Uphold. You'll need your TRX balance on Exmo and the exact Uphold wallet address ready to avoid any mistakes. Remember, in 2025, crypto transfers are faster, but always double-check for fees and network confirmations to keep things smooth. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Balance section. Find your TRX holdings and click on the Withdrawal option. It's usually straightforward, but if you're new, take a moment to explore the interface. Next, select TRX as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Enter the amount you'd like to transfer. Don't forget to leave some for any network fees, which might be around 1 to 5 TRX depending on the Tron network in 2025. Now, paste your Uphold wallet address into the recipient field. Pro tip: always verify the address twice to prevent sending your funds to the wrong place. That's a common pitfall that could lead to permanent loss. After that, review the transaction details. You'll see a summary of the amount, fees, and estimated arrival time. Hit confirm, and you'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for security. Once approved, your TRX will be sent over the Tron blockchain. On the Uphold side, keep an eye on your dashboard. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the funds to show up, depending on network congestion. Once it's there, you're all set. Withdrawing crypto can be exciting, but always prioritize security. In 2025, with evolving regulations, stay updated on any platform changes. If you run into issues, reach out to Exmo or Uphold support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.